שלום, אני ירדן, ואני מורה לעברית מקראית. Hi, my name is Jordan, and I'm the instructor for Biblical Hebrew at Johnson County Community College and the Jewish Community Center. Rather than launching you right away into difficult grammar rules and verb systems like many other academic Hebrew classes do, we use a unique audio-visual kinesthetic method to make this language stick.
Lama, everybody, Lama.
Songs, pictures, colors, hand motions, as well as artifacts and stories are the bread and butter of the beginning classes, helping you to truly internalize the ancient Hebrew.
הנחש היה ערום, crafty, ערום, מכל חיית השדה, right? From all of the animals of the field.
This will give you the tools to succeed in the advanced modules. In the advanced modules, you'll be able to navigate actual texts accurately, using high-level resources with the confidence of a true ancient language scholar. I invite you to join us on this journey. If you commit yourself and continue on, you will travel far beyond what you ever thought possible into the rich world of Ivrit Mikra'it, the language of the Bible.